Hello, I'm going to be talking about the three types of plate boundaries and the different characteristics that can be found at each one. So the first one that I'm going to be talking about are transform fault boundaries, where the plates are sliding horizontally past one another. So here, the lithosphere is not being created or destroyed. There's no volcanic activity typically present at transform boundaries. There are earthquakes caused by that stress, usually shallow earthquakes here. And with the plates sliding past each other the way they do, there will usually be offsets that you can see in the topographic characteristics. The next type of plate boundary that I'm talking about is a divergent boundary, where the plates move apart from each other and create new lithosphere. This typically occurs with oceanic crust as the crust pulls apart from each other and magma rises up to create new ocean floor. So there is volcanic activity here. It is effusive, so the magma just kind of oozes up and then it creates the new ocean floor. Earthquakes are also common in divergent boundaries, just shallow earthquakes. And as the magma rises up and creates the new ocean floor, that's going to be the youngest ocean floor, so closer to the center is where you're going to find the younger ocean floor. This can also create submarine mountain ranges when the new crust is formed. So the third one that I'm going to talk about is a convergent boundary, where plates collide and one is pulled into the mantle and recycled. So here, there is volcanic activity, and these are usually explosive volcanoes, because as one plate subducts, it causes flux melting, because the compounds that are subducting cause the rock to melt at a lower temperature, and then this causes a violent eruption. Here you may also find shallow to deep earthquakes, because earthquakes occur in the lithosphere, and at a convergent boundary, or at a subduction zone, the lithosphere is being pulled into the mantle, so you will actually find some deeper earthquakes here. When the convergent boundary is between two continental plates, you may also find high mountains such as the Himalayas.